I quit if I want. I'm praying looking for it. They probably leave a little later. I'm praying. Don't go that side. He ain't even know the plane's coming. We can go back. Oh, she riding? Oh, hold on. See our train we saw earlier? Yeah. Hold on. It's right here. That's the only one. Oh, yeah. Can y'all see it? Yeah, that's the train we saw earlier on the bridge. That's the only one that came. Yeah. Guess they put it right. They put it right there before that came. An hour later. Haven't seen in a minute. Yeah, I saw those cars last weekend. And saw those over last weekend. Then and I was on the bus. I was on the bus. On Tuesday. I was on the bus and it was already gone. It was already gone. When I was on the bus, I was on the bus on Zero. It was already gone. It was already gone. Came here and left. So I'm just record this for today and go back home and get the day. Yeah. So I think they train that the other side. That's gonna be leaving kind of a little later. We just have to see first. We just have to see praying. Just praying about it. Probably a little later. I don't know. I'll see.